Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Google Pixel 8a for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to launch our settings, then navigate to accessibility. Right here we can find display size and the text and adjust the font size as well as the display size. Font size will change only the text and the display size will change everything, so that means it will increase the size of buttons, icons as well as the text. Then we have a bold text which will increase the thickness of a font, high contrast text which adds a black outline to all of the text, which makes the text much more visible when the background is white. Then we can go back and find the color and motion. Only thing I recommend to do here is enable remove animations. It will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. And the last thing is magnification. When activated, you'll get the accessibility button floating around your screen. It's that loop. You can click on it. That way you'll be able to zoom in onto anything in your screen. You can click on the loop again if you want to zoom out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.